Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Christine. For this video, I will be showing you how I do my basic makeup. So I've been getting a lot of compliments recently on how I do my makeup. Like, I'm not a makeup expert, but I do the basic. Whenever I do my makeup, first, of course, you have to wash your face and all that. I've also been getting some compliments on my skin recently. Like, oh my gosh, your face is clear. And I'm like, yeah, okay. I wasn't really trying. I was just making sure that I clean my face every day. But anyway, if you guys want to see what I use for my face, wash my face and all that, toner and etc., let me know on a comment below. So let's get started. First off, I usually do primer. What I have here is a primer for, it's like a 2-in-1 primer, my eyes and my face. Now after the primer, I kind of let that stay for a bit, and then I do my foundation. Oh, I have chopsticks. Well, chopstick holding my hair. After I do my foundation, and the next thing I usually go for are my eyebrows. I haven't honestly, I haven't gone to get my brows done, but kind of trick everyone by just kind of filling it and shaping them. So I'm gonna show you what I do for my brows. Once your brows are all filled, shape it a little bit more. I use the concealer to cover some unwanted brow hair. So now we're gonna blend it. So now the next thing I do is eyeshadows. Since I have full lash extensions today, I will not put eyeliner. By the way, shout out to my sister, Lavelle Lashes. If you guys have any lash needs, go to Lavelle. Thank you, Hannah. First, I do a little highlight. So I usually just use one shade for my eyeshadow. Normally, I use this kind of shade. And now we will contour. After concealer, so blend it really well. Right, next thing that we do is we contour. So I'll show you how I do it. So I have my palette. I've learned this from my sister, most recent YouTube video, using your pinky to apply your contour. So just below your cheekbones. Then on your jaw. And then on your temple. So now, this is the time that we blend again. So let me just touch it up a little with bronzer. Now the next thing I'll do is blush. Just recently, I have discovered that you can actually use your lip tint as a blush. So that's what I've been doing. What I have is from BLK Cosmetics in the shade of As If. Since this is very pigmented, one dab, it goes a long way. Let's do it. So now what we do is we highlight. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to do one more thing to contour my nose. Kasi naman naman tayo matangos ang ilong, diba? So, hindi dapat yun kinakalimutan. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so that's how it will be. And now we blend. After that, of course, we are going to do our highlights as well. We'll do our chin, right there, and our forehead, going down our nose. So before we finish this look, I would like to use a mascara in my lower part. Okay, so now we can finish this look with liquid lipstick. This one is from NYX. And we are done. I'm gonna show you. There you have it. This here. It's not going down. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. That's it. So anyway, that's it. That's my basic makeup tutorial. I hope you guys got something out of it. So keep experimenting. You can use this tutorial to kind of establish your basic makeup look. I will put on the description below makeup products that I have used on this video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys can use this kind of tutorial. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and also share If you have any videos that you want me to do, please comment them down below as well. Okay, anyway, you guys have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.